Okay, the reason that this is called basic is because one of the numbers that they give you has a zero. So we just do straight multiplication. Um, it's not real large numbers. So what I do is I go ahead and take the numbers without the percent sign. I always save the percent sign for last. Now because the 70 has a trailing zero, I can do this as 35 times 7. So 5 times 7 is 35, carry the 3. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 3 is 24. Now that 0 that I took off, you put it back in now. And 70% of 35. What you want to do next is you want to, because of the percent sign, you want to go over from right to left 2 numbers. So I'm going to put it right there. So 70% of 35 is 24.5, 24 and a half. Okay, so again, the percent sign just means you're going to have 2 numbers after a decimal in your answer. So you just go ahead and multiply these. 50 times 95. Because of the trailing 0, I can leave it out for now while I multiply. So 95 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is 47. Write down the trailing 0 that you had. And because of the percent, you go 2 numbers over from right to left, and 47 and a half is the answer to that one. 80% of 64. So I'm going to do 80 times 64, but this had a trailing 0, so that just means I do 64 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51. I had a trailing 0 that I need to add, and because of the percent, I go 2 numbers from right to left, 2 numbers over, because percent means per 100. So 100 has 2 zeros, so that's your answer.